Hi there. Today we're going to talk about multiplying a two-digit number by a one-digit number. And we're going to take the example 16 times 9 equals. Okay, now some people would explain a little bit like this. Do the algorithm, which is 16 times 9. You've seen this method possibly before. And 9 times 6 is 54. So we put 4 there and carry the 5 up there. Then 9 times 1 is 9. Plus 5 is 144. Okay, but what we're trying to teach you young people out there is that an equation like this can be done in your head, that you can think mathematically and solve it very quickly in your head. And we're going to look at two methods of doing that. So firstly, we look at 16 times 9. We can look at it like this: 10 times 9 plus 6 times 9. And if you know your basic facts, as many of you do, you'll know that 10 times 9 is 90, and 6 times 9, let's just put brackets around there so we can sort of separate what we're looking at, and 6 times 9 is 54. And then it's as simple as adding those two together, which equals 144, like that. So that's one way of doing it. The other way that you could look at doing a problem like this is you could go 16 times 9 is similar to 16 times 10. Now 16 times 9 is like saying 9 lots of 16. Now we can say 10 lots of 16, which is quite easy to solve, which is 160. Okay, and then you just take one lot of 16 off, so it's 160 minus 16, because you've added one lot of 16 on here. This is where you added 16, one lot of 16. So that's why you're taking off one lot of 16 here. And so it's 160 minus 16 equals 144. So here we've got three different methods. Let me just change colors. We've got method 1, which is the algorithm, which really requires you to use paper. You've got method 2, which is separating the 10s and the 1s. This doesn't require you to use an algorithm. This kind of thing can be done in your head, and I'm just going to put down there so it's like a thought bubble, okay? And I'll write here that this needs I'll draw a little, little pen, and this one here, method 3, that's also you able to do that in your head. So what we call these strategies, this one here, let's get a different color for the name. Let's use a nice purple. We call this strategy here, we call this chunking multiplication, okay? So, whoops, jumped over there for some reason. Chunking multiplication. Just gone off. Ooh, let's just change that color in behind there so it stands out. I-T-I-O-N. Chunking multiplication, and that is because we break the two-digit number into two chunks, the 10 and the 6. And this one down here, we call this compensating. That's called compensating.